Hey friends, if QuickScan is not working in Windows Defender, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to remove other third-party programs. Other third-party security software programs because they're not even required these days. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Now go to the Apps tab on the list on the left-hand side and select Installed Apps. While I don't have a third-party program, I will show it on some other option. Just click on the three dots associated with the third-party security program like McAfee, Avast, or whatever you have it, and then select uninstall and then click on uninstall once again. The next one is to update Windows. Why? First of all, I'll show you how. Right click on the start button and select settings. Go to Windows Update. Click on check for updates in the right pane. Okay. Now, when you are updating your Windows computer to the latest version, basically you are also installing security updates. And why are security updates important? Security updates are important because, like you can see, this is a security intelligence update because these are the ones for Microsoft Defender or Windows security. And if they are not installed, then the quick scan will become meaningless. So you need to make sure that your system is updated to the latest version, and finally restart the Windows security service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services, and then scroll down to the Windows security service. Right click on it and then select start if you have that option. Ideally it will be running by default and there's nothing you can do to change it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.